Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily English Channel. In today's lesson, we're going to learn a useful English conversation at a hotel. You'll learn how to check in, ask about breakfast, get your room key, request help, and check out. So let's get started. Good evening. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you?
Good evening. I have a reservation under the name John David.
Certainly. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Let me check your reservation. Yes, I found your reservation. You booked a double room for 3 nights?
That's correct.
Great! Your room number is 305. Here is your room key.
Thank you. Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is. Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the first floor.
Great. What time is checkout?
Checkout is before 12 o'clock noon.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay at Sunrise Hotel.
Excuse me, where is room 305?
Take the elevator to the 3rd floor.
Thank you. Which way should I go after I get out of the elevator?
Turn right, then walk straight down the hallway. Room 305 is on your left.
Is there free Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free. The password is written on your room key card holder.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful stay.
Good evening. Front desk. How may I help you?
Hello. Could I have 2 extra towels, please?
Certainly. I'll send them to your room right away.
Thank you. Could I also have an extra pillow and some toiletries, please?
Of course. Which toiletries do you need?
Shampoo, soap, a toothbrush, and toothpaste, please.
Certainly. We'll send to towels 1 extra pillow and those toiletries to your room.
Great. How long will it take?
About 5 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful stay.
Good evening, housekeeping.
Come in, please.
Here are your 2 extra towels, 1 extra pillow, and your toiletries.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need?
Yes. Could I have 2 bottles of water, please?
Certainly. I'll bring them right away.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay.
Good evening. Room service. How may I help you?
Hello. I'd like to order dinner, please.
Certainly. What would you like to order?
I'd like a grilled chicken, a bowl of soup, and a glass of orange juice, please.
Of course. Would you like anything for dessert?
Yes, I'd like a slice of chocolate cake, please.
Certainly. Is that everything?
Yes, that's all. How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to book a room for 2 nights, please.
Certainly. Would you like a single room or a double room?
A double room, please. How much is it per night?
It's $95 per night, and breakfast is included.
That sounds good. I will take it.
Wonderful. May I see your passport or ID, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Your room number is 412. Here is your room key.
Thank you. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m. on the first floor.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay at Sunrise Hotel.
Hi, did you get your room?
Yes, I just got to my room.
Perfect. How is the room?
It's amazing. The room is clean, spacious, and very comfortable.
What about the view?
The view is beautiful. I can see the beach and the city from here.
That sounds wonderful. How much does the room cost?
It costs $95 per night, and breakfast is included.
That's a good price for a room like this.
I think so too. I'm really happy with my choice.
Enjoy your stay, and don't forget to send me some pictures.
I will, thanks. Talk to you later.
Hello, this is room 305.
Good morning. Housekeeping speaking. How may I help you?
Could you please clean my room?
Of course. When would you like us to clean it?
Around 2 p.m. please. I'll be out then.
Certainly. We will clean your room at 2 p.m.
Thank you. Could you also bring some fresh towels?
Absolutely. We'll bring fresh towels and refill the toiletries.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning. Could you help me, please?
Of course. How can I help you?
Is there a shopping mall near the hotel?
Yes. Sunrise Shopping Mall is only a 10-minute walk from here.
Great. Are there any good restaurants nearby?
Yes. There are several restaurants around the mall. I recommend Ocean Grill for seafood and Bella Italia for Italian food.
Perfect. Is there anything else you recommend visiting?
Yes, you should visit the beach, the city park, and the local museum. They're all close to the hotel.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your day.
Hello, this is room 105.
Good afternoon. Housekeeping speaking. How may I help you?
I'd like to use the laundry service, please.
Certainly. Do you have clothes that need to be washed?
Yes, I have a few shirts and a pair of pants.
No problem. Would you like us to iron them as well?
Yes, please. Do you charge extra for ironing?
Yes. Ironing has an extra charge.
I see. How much is the ironing service?
The prices are listed on the laundry form in your room.
That's fine. Could someone come and pick up my clothes?
Of course. We'll collect your clothes today and return them tomorrow.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning. Could you help me, please?
Of course. How can I help you?
I'd like to book a taxi.
Certainly. Where would you like to go?
I'd like to go to the airport.
What time would you like the taxi?
Around 9 a.m., please.
No problem. We'll book a taxi for 9 a.m.
How much will it cost?
It usually costs around $25, depending on the traffic.
That's fine. Where should I wait?
Please wait outside the main entrance. The driver will meet you there.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Good morning. I'd like to check out, please.
Certainly. May I have your room number, please?
It's room 104.
Thank you. Let me check your bill.
Sure.
Everything is ready. Your total is $360 for 3 nights.
Can I pay by credit card?
Of course.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your payment has been approved.
Great. Thank you.
Before you leave, may I ask if you were satisfied with your stay?
Yes, very much. The room was clean, the staff was friendly, and the service was excellent.
We're happy to hear that. Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you for everything. I'll definitely come back.
We look forward to welcoming you again. Have a safe trip. Thank you for watching Daily English Conversation. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more English conversations. What new words or phrases did you learn today? Write them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.